Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Ethereum from XMO to Binance in 2025. With crypto exchanges evolving, it's crucial to stay updated on the latest steps to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this tutorial will walk you through the process quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both XMO and Binance and that your Ethereum is ready to move. Start by logging into your XMO account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Funds section and select Ethereum from your list of assets. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Next, click on the Withdraw button for Ethereum. You'll need to choose the correct network. Stick with ERC20 for standard Ethereum transfers to ensure compatibility with Binance. Now, enter your Binance wallet address. Double-check this address because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. If you're unsure, head over to Binance, log in, and go to your wallet to copy the exact Ethereum deposit address. After pasting the address, input the amount of Ethereum you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the transaction fees. In 2025, network congestion might affect gas fees, so aim to withdraw during off-peak times to save costs. Once everything looks good, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a must for security. Hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once the withdrawal is confirmed on XMO, switch to your Binance account and check your wallet. You should see the Ethereum deposited there. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. Your Ethereum is now safely in Binance. Remember, always prioritize security in crypto transactions and never share your private keys. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.